Hello students and welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to remember the reactivity series. The reactivity series of metals, also known as the activity series, refers to the arrangement of metals in the descending order of their reactivities. The data provided by the reactivity series can be used to predict whether a metal can displace another in a single displacement reaction. It can also be used to obtain information on the reactivity of metals towards water and acids. In this technique, the first letter of the word we have to remember will help us to remember the first letter of the element. Next to the element symbol will be written as follows. P for please and P for potassium. Symbol for potassium is K. S for stop and S for sodium. Symbol for sodium is Na. C for calling and C for calcium. Symbol for calcium is Ca. M for Maggie and M for magnesium. Symbol for magnesium is Mg. A for E and A for aluminium. Symbol for aluminium is A. Z for zebra and Z for zinc. Symbol for zinc is Zn. If we read back what we have just written, it will read like this. Please stop calling Maggie a zebra. Remember a cross against a zebra while recalling the elements. Let's cover the remaining elements of the reactivity series. I for I and I for iron. Symbol of iron is Fe. L for like and L for lead. Symbol of lead is Pb. H for her and H for hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen is H. C for call and C for copper. Symbol of copper is Cu. M for me and M for mercury. Symbol of mercury is Hg. S for silver and S for silver. Symbol of silver is Ag. G for goat and G for gold. Symbol of gold is Au. If we read back what we have just written, it will read like this. I like her, call me silver goat. Remember a tick mark against a goat while recalling the elements. Let's remember the whole thing. Please stop calling Maggie a zebra. I like her, call me silver goat. This mnemonic stands for potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. In this way, we can easily remember the reactivity series. If you have liked watching this video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And one last thing, share this video with your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching and keep watching for more such videos.